So today I'm just about to swap out the rear shocks on my Grand Vitara. This has been a long time coming. Those old shocks are leaking, so first things first, you can see I've prepared a workplace there, tools, and I've got the old shocks there because I'm going to measure the new ones against the old ones to make sure I've got enough travel, because this car's got a 2-inch lift. These shocks are recommended for a car with or without a lift. That surprises me, so I'm just going to measure them up against the old ones to see how they rate. Perfect. Now, I've decided that this should be a fairly easy job. Let's see. I haven't seen the other side of that bolt yet, so wow. The other end is threaded on, as I suspected it might be. Okay, and that's free. Right. Let's see how we go here. That was a bit easier. I anticipated this being a fairly easy job. Because these shock absorbers are not gas filled. So, and even if they were once gas filled, they've long lost all their gas because they're pretty much completely buggered. As you can see, look at that, been leaking for a long time, basically not doing anything anymore. That shock is obviously about 50 mil, if not more, shorter than the one that's come out. And the one that came out, I happen to know from experience, used every bit of that travel. That shaft at the very top there, if I'd been over an obstacle where I'd had to use all the travel, that shaft would be clean all the way to the top. So this shock absorber is not going to make the grade, I'm afraid. Going back to where I bought it from.